Are you guys ready for a science experiment?
Yes!
Hello guys! Today we are going to do a science experiment with Uptown Kidz. We are going to make elephant toothpaste. So, first, what we've got here is we've got our hydrogen peroxide, our food coloring, our yeast, around a 16-ounce fluid bottle. We've got hot water or warm water, and our tablespoon, and some dish soap. So, first, what we are going to do is we are going to put a couple drops of your food coloring into your bottle. Can you guys do that? Why don't you put a couple more in there, buddy? Perfect. Good job, Avalon. That's good. Now let's put those lids back on. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add a tablespoon of dish soap to each bottle. You want to hold that so I can squeeze a little bit? Okay. Now, perfect. Okay, set that there for now. Here, you hold this. Okay. Now, I'm gonna rinse this spoon off so we can use it to measure the water, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back and we have got our clean tablespoon, and what we need to do now is mix 3 tablespoons of warm water in with our yeast. So with our yeast, we've got 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, and I also tried active yeast. So we are going to do 3 tablespoons of warm water, and we are going to let it sit with each one for 30 seconds. Okay. Oh, you gotta fill it up all the way. Ready? There we go. There. And then one more. There we go. Okay, perfect. We're gonna let that sit for 30 seconds and then we will be right back. Okay, it's been 30 seconds. We kind of started a little bit. Now what we have to do is we have to pour half a cup, which I will do this. Make sure that an adult does the hydrogen peroxide because it can irritate your skin. So you, yes, you need a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide per bottle. So.
You know they're my favorite color. Green.
Green.
Yeah.
And then this one.
My favorite color is red.
Okay, now we pour this into it. Let's make sure our soap and everything's good and mixed up. Okay, ready?
If I make a volcano, oh, it's rising. Am I supposed to do that?
Yeah.
If I make a volcano,
Wow.
don't
Where'd
I
that
see?
go?
Wait, it's going upper. It might go at the bottom.
Now that does that. We're gonna do yours, Avalon.
Wait, oh no.
Ready?
It's, the bubbles.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
But we need to make sure everything is moved off the way.
Let's look at that.
Mine is pinkish.
It may go on you again, guy. It may go under the table.
Wow. There we have it, some elephant toothpaste.
I'm gonna touch it. Don't touch it. It's hot. Very hot.
It does get hot. Okay, so what is happening is each tiny bubble is filled with oxygen, and the yeast was a helper, also known as a catalyst, to remove the oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide. But because it happened so fast, it created lots of bubbles. The bottle got hot because the reaction is an exothermic reaction that created heat. The foam is made up of water, soap, and oxygen, so when you're done with this experiment, you can safely just put it down the drain.
I'm not panicking. The bottle.
Wow.
It's like
How neat.
I'm gonna touch it in my
Now, I wonder what would happen if I poured a little bit more hydrogen peroxide in there.
There's still more.
What do you think?
If it was more, I saw it on.
Let's see.
Don't mind it moving so well. Dominic! Get it hot, Dominic! Dominic, I see a little pointy toe.
Okay, let's see if anything else cool happens.
I told you. We'll make another
Gonna
one.
keep foaming out.
Is it infinite foam?
Wow.
It was eating the bottle. Oh my god.
Dominic, now smell like soap and you smell it, Dominic. Smell like soap.
So what do you guys think of this science experiment?
Good, good.
I think that was pretty cool.
Did it making it hot? I gotta see a pointy toe.
Make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Bye.
Bye.